Background music playing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we discuss everything related to automotive maintenance and performance. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the gearheads out there, the top 3 grades of gear oil in the renowned Castrol brand. As car enthusiasts, we understand the importance of keeping our vehicles in optimal condition, and when it comes to lubricating our gearboxes, Castrol is a name that stands out among the rest. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 3 grades of gear oil in the Castrol lineup. First on our list is Castrol Syntrax Limited Slip 75U140, an exceptional gear oil designed specifically for limited slip differentials. Its advanced formula provides superior protection, reducing friction and heat buildup, ensuring smooth operation, and maximizing power transfer. Next up, we have Castrol Syntrax Long Life 75W140, which offers extended drain intervals without compromising performance. This grade of gear oil is ideal for heavy-duty applications, providing exceptional protection against wear, corrosion, and oxidation. It keeps your gears happy and running smoothly for a long time. And finally, we can't forget about the ever-reliable Castrol Syntrax Universal Plus 75W90. This multi-purpose gear oil is suitable for various manual transmissions, axles, and final drives. Its innovative formulation ensures excellent thermal stability, gear protection, and fuel efficiency, making it a top choice among car enthusiasts worldwide. So there you have it, folks. The top 3 grades of gear oil in the Castrol lineup: Castrol Syntrax Limited Slip 75W140, Castrol Syntrax Long Life 75W140, and Castrol Syntrax Universal Plus 75W90. Whether you're a track junkie or a weekend warrior, these gear oils will keep your transmission performing at its peak. Remember, regular maintenance and using the right lubricants are vital for prolonging the life of your gearbox and maximizing your driving experience. So don't forget to check out the Castrol website or visit your local automotive store to get your hands on these fantastic gear oils. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content, and as always, keep revving those engines and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. The background music fades out.